All right, people. We're making the spicy Bison Gre-xican salad. You can make it with beef, turkey, it don't matter. But if you're making it with a lean meat, get some butter in there. Help it out. You want to get it nice and brown and toasty. So, get it in there, break it up a little bit, get a good area to where it can brown up, and let it go. Let it do its magic. You got quite a bit of little fat sizzling around in there, and this is when I like to add the seasoning, little taco seasoning whipped up. I add it when there's a little bit of fat on the bottom. It'll kind of toast, it'll kind of fry up a little bit. That's what you want. You want flavor, little cracked black. You throw a little salt on top of that bear too, and just let it sizzle away. I don't know what I'm doing with my Transforce Rex hand right there. Nice, give it a little twirl, get it mixed in with that fat, kind of just fry up that seasoning, and real nice. So next I do a little sambal something, I don't even know. It's the same company that makes sriracha. It's a little sweeter, it's still hot. Love that. I put a little chipotle Tabasco in there because I like it smoky and hot. A few dashes in there. And then, then we're rocking and rolling. I like to add the vegetables after this when there's a good amount of fat at the bottom. I don't drain it. What I do is I throw a little red pepper, red onion in there, and I let it cook in that fat. Sizzle it up, let it go, let it soften, give it a couple minutes, and then we're working our way to the salad. Nice little romaine right there you get from Costco, 5-pack, $3, easy. I like chopped salads, so I chop the shit out of it. I go once, I go twice, I'll even go another whirl here too. And because that's what I like. I also kind of throw in a little Greek salad. It's kind of a pre-made thing, just to give a little crunch. Kind of helps out with the texture there. It's not just so much of a romaine thing. I know we got onion in the beef, but I like a little fresh onion. I like a little sharpness with a little diced red onion. So I'm throwing that in there. Get it on in there. Don't cut your fingers off. A little diced red onion. I'm not going to use all that, but I'm chopping some up just for the hell of it. Because if you're going to use a tablespoon or two, you might as well do 6 or 7, 8 tablespoons. And then you got 3 salads ready to go. Put it in the fridge, put it in a little container, get it going. Just like I've done with the red peppers. So, go a couple tablespoons with the red pep into the lettuce. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of the red onion with us cooked there. Real nice. I like the feta. I get it from Costco again. Big old jug of it. Toss it in there a little bit, 2 tablespoons. Smash it with a fork on the side if you want. Make it a little smaller before you mix it. I throw in some brown rice. I'm trying to carb up. I'm carbing up here. A little prepackaged one. I think it's about 1.5 cups, so it's a lot for a whole thing. So I put about 1/2, so it knocks out about 30-40 carbs in there. Moving on. Next, you got to throw the pepperoncinis in there. It's bright. It's vinegary. It's got a little tang to it. And then dash a little of that vinegar in there. Don't be scared. Get in there. Get some flavor. I throw a little salsa verde in mine. I like it. It's Mexican, it's Greek. It adds a little bit of a dressing, a little tartness from there. And then for my croutons, I don't use croutons. Unless you got some Ruby Tuesdays croutons. I go straight to the Stacy's pita chips. I break them up. I throw them in there. They don't get soggy. They stay crunchy, and they kick ass. I do a little Newman's Own light balsamic, a little sprinkle of that, sweeten it up a little bit with the spice and the tang of the tomatillos and the red onion and the feta. Season the veggies. Draw out some of that that liquid with a little salt, a little cracked black. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to season your food. Make it taste better. Jesus. And, you know, give it a little whirl, get a little whip. Stir that old bear up right there. I make a little hole right in the middle, so I'm going to put the meat in the middle. I don't want to go it all over the salad, and that's going to, you know, it's going to make it kind of shitty and soggy in the middle. So what I do is I hit it with a little sriracha too. I haven't had enough hot sauce in this damn thing, so might as well just put a little ring stinger, some more ring stinger in there. Jesus Christ, what am I doing to myself? So here's our bison. It's cooked. It's about 10 ounces. I'm going to put about 7 in there. Real nice. There's no fat in it. The fat got picked up by the veggies, so you got flavor there. And a little dollop of daisy. A little dollop. I don't know what I'm doing right now. And then some more hot sauce. Some Marie Sharp's, a little Belizean hot sauce. Little habaneros. Little carrots. Beautiful. Little cracked pitas on top to finish it, to give it that extra crunch. And that's it. That's my Gre-xican. It's Greek, it's Mexican, it's got some bison meat, it's a dollop of daisy on top. It's all you need in life.